Hi, this is Ron from ron@dj.com. Here we go from another video, and pasensya na for this quiet voice that I'm shooting in kasi we're shooting in the middle of the early in the wee hours, and actually na-receive ko to before the weekend, and may na-receive tayong package from Cherry Mobile or Cherry Home. And this one, ito yung sign. Tinanggal ko yung name ko dito. So, we want more give emphasize on this one. So, may pinadala sa ating package ng Cherry. So, thank you very much, Cherry. I guess this is more of a Christmas gift sa atin. And inaasahan ko may mga new items tayo makikita on this one. Hindi to unboxing, hindi pa tayo maglalagay ng mga prices on this one. Lalagyan na natin sa description below yung 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 actual product link on this one. So that makikita nyo rin yung actual price nito, since alam ko marami tong items na to. And currently available on Cherry Mobile, Cherry Home, and other Cherry related products sa kanilang official store sa cherryshop.com.ph, and also you can also look them sa official store nila sa Shopee. So ito yung pakita na natin yung letter. So ito yung binadala sa atin. So, dear Ron, as 2021 about to close, we would like to let you know that we value and appreciate your support, especially in these challenging times. We look forward to a meaningful start of 2022. May your holidays be cherry-rific. Stay safe and healthy from your Cherry family. So, thank you very much. So, ito yung logo ng Cherry Mobile, Cherry Home, Cherry Pet, and Cherry Room. Then, yung kanilang social media accounts, and ito yung binanggit ko na kanina. Ito yung official website, yung official online store nila. Pero official store din naman yung nasa nila sa Shopee, sa official Shopee store nila. Meron din naman. So pakita natin mga package. So ito, nakita niyo yung una. Ito is, if not mistaken, nasa around 2,500 ito. This is the Cherry Ultrasonic UV Humidifier. So, unlike to do sa mga ordinaryong, medyo i-zoom out lang natin ng konti. So, sabihin, may hindi ko masyadong familiar sa mga humidifiers. Pero, so, wala natin yung key features na meron siya 2-in-1 humidifier and aroma diffuser. Essential oil can be dropped directly into the water tank. Alam ko may 4 liter capacity ito. Then, may UVC sterilization, LED adapted. Then, water shortage indicated for blue lights flashing for 1 minute. You can pause this video para mabasa niyo yung buong features nito. Currently, nabasa ko ito, nakakamali. Currently available to sa official Shopee store nila at around 2,500 pesos. Lalagyan na natin yung link sa description below, just to fasten things up. So, first item, thank you, Cherry. And second one is ito, mahalaga rin to, lalo ngayon kailangan natin ng mga sterilization stuff sa bahay, and lalo magkakaroon na tayo ng hindi man yung normal, but yeah, so the virus is still there. So ito, Cherry antibacterial UV spray gun. Meron siyang UV sterilization, again may UV na naman, 2 spray level, may 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, then low power warning, and kagaya ng mga makabagong smartphones na Cherry Mobile na nasa type C ang kanyang charging. So ito yung key specs pa nito. Feel free to pause on this one. And I guess dito mo pwede pwede ilagay mo rin yung mga sanitizer, I guess. I'm sure kung pwede naman siguro alcohol na ito, lalo kung magsasanitize. Malaking bagay ito, lalo kung for sure 2022 makaka-receive pa ako ng pagkarami-rami pang review ni set packages. Lalo na inasa ako di pag ganun magbabali kayo mga physical events, lalo sa genre na pinili ko. So this is the Cherry antibacterial UV spray gun. Then this one, ito yung latest na dinagdag sa kailan Cherry related products. This is the Cherry Sonic electric toothbrush, which is up to 30 days usage on battery charge. Tapos, ganun siya ka-high-tech. Meron siyang 30,000 strokes per minute. Tapos may memory function. Tapos meron siyang tatlong modes: soft, normal, and massage. So, medyo malaki. Lalo na sa mga nagano ng mga makabagong toothbrush. Ito naman ilang may pick up nyo. Tapos, syempre, sa toothbrush, kailangan talaga waterproof siya. Feel free to pause para makita nyo itong features on this one. And this. Yan. Yan. So, ito yung, may article din tayo nito. At gaya ng sinabi ko nga, ilalagay natin sa description below yung links nito. Cherry Sony Electric Toothbrush. And, hindi tayo mag-unbox nito kasi, for sure, we'll put it on the separate video for possible review. Then, this one, ito, it's under ng Cherry Home. This is a Cherry Home smart weight scale na meron siyang maximum capacity ng 180 kilograms. Hindi mo ako 180 kilograms. So, kakayanin ako siguro. Ito may body fat calculator, may tempered glass function, tapos may smart LED, Wi-Fi connectivity, automatic step-on feature, and high accuracy. So, yung LED na yung indicator kung ilan ka na in kilograms or in pounds. Tapos, dalawa yung kulay nito, white and black. So I guess based sa nakuha natin, white yung nasa loob nito, and powered siya ng tatlong AAA na batteries. And also meron din siyang QR scanner or QR code pala, dahil meron compatible ito sa Cherry Home app. So feel free to pause on this one para makita niyo yung ibang features or yung itsura ng Cherry Home smart weight scale. And yung last one, ito yung natuwa ako so far dun sa 5 products. Siguro second yung toothbrush. Ito, lalo na yung naalala ko siya, we're shooting on this one a few days after Odette. This Cherry portable desktop fan. Actually, bibili na ako ng ganito, yung rechargeable desktop, lalo kung nag-run out, kasagsagan ng bagyo, or pwede rin on a summer na nawala ng kuryente and mainit. Malaking bagay ito, nagkataon na summer tapos nawala ng kuryente. Meron siyang, unlike nung mga nakikita natin na mumurahin na rechargeable na fans, ito expected to mas malaki ito. May 2.5 to 8 hours usage depending kung ano yung setting mo sa ventilador. May 270 degrees na rotating, may 2000 mAh lithium battery, then micro USB yung kanilang charging port. Tapos yun nga, babanggit may 3 gears windscreen, 5 watts yung charging na ito, tapos may 4 watts na rated power, and 325 grams yung kanyang bigat. So magaan siya. And ito yung back portion na tong Cherry portable desktop fan. So feel free, malamang malamang sa 5 siguro, isa sa mga una kong re-review soon. And ang nakuha natin is the cyan color. Mayroon siyang 4 na colors: white, navy blue, and pink. So that's it. Thank you very much, Cherry, for this one. Sa mga package na pinadala sa atin for this Christmas season. Looking forward, syempre, lalo na yung mga readers na hinahanap pa rin sa atin yung Cherry Aqua S10 Pro. Yun, tagal na natin hinihintay for so long in Aqua S10 na recently lumabas siya online. So that's it. Please like and subscribe on this channel, and also like and follow our social media accounts at the description below. Thank you very much na naabot na rin yung over 1,000 subs sa YouTube. So that's it. This is Ron from ron@dj.com. Thank you very much for watching.